Hi, so basically today we're gonna have a video here on how to fix the speaker. Right now I've already taken off these metal plates here. This here is nice. I already cut out this to get inside to see what the problem may be. And then I kinda cut this too. I've done that, but next I'm gonna cut this one out too. Maybe there's wires or something in there that might help me fix this. Oh, I see the problem here. Oh, man. See this wire? It wasn't touching here to this wire, so the connectivity to make the speaker work wasn't. So look, the way I'm gonna fix this is I'm gonna put this back on here, put this back here, and we're gonna wash it, because if it's dirty, it won't work. Make sure it works. Alright, make sure you dry this off here. Oh. Yeah. See, this doesn't get in the back here.